So my daughter's Power Wheels has bald wheels, and she can't get any traction in the grass or going uphill. I looked at some of the forums, and they recommended putting some rubber tires around the outside of it. I also read somebody that used bicycle tires. I think I've seen a video of them doing it, wrapping a bicycle tire around it. It just so happens 14-inch bicycle tires will fit on these as long as you cut the steel cord out of them, and that's what we're going to do. I've already cut the cord out of one side over here, and it leaves it pretty flexible. We're going to cut the steel band out of this side. And then we're left with just a rubber tire we can slip over the outside of the wheel. This is just some really soapy water, and I'll coat the wheel with it, and I'll put it on the inside of this. I also have some tire irons that I'm going to use to kind of help with the process. I imagine a guy could probably do this with a screwdriver as well. Just be careful. And that's what it looks like. If these ever do come off, I'll just put them back on and glue them. That's about it.